The gram stain is one of the most important techniques you will learn in microbiology. First, you need to prepare your smear. Using the forceps, gently pass both sides of the slide through the flame. This removes any residual lint and warms the slide, making it easier to label with the grease pencil. Labeling the slide is important. Not only does it allow you to identify your slide, but also serves as a clear focal point and, if needed, allows you to confirm which face of the slide the smear is on. The delineating line also serves as a barrier to the staining reagents and gives you a clean edge with which to handle the slide. Use your loupe to collect a drop of water from the tap. Place a few drops of water onto the centre of the slide. Tap water is sufficient, as any contaminating microorganisms are irrelevant compared to the number of cells you will have in your smear. Using aseptic technique, flame your loupe, allow it to cool, open the culture plate and collect some cells by touching on a colony. Now gently emulsify the culture into the drop of water on the slide. Place the loupe in the centre of the water drop and, using concentric circles, move outwards towards the edge of the slide. When wet, the smear should only just be visible. It will become increasingly opaque as it dries. Here are some examples of a good and bad smear. Now flame your loupe again and allow the slide to air dry. Heat fix using the blue Bunsen flame by holding the end label of the slide with forceps, and with the smear facing upwards, pass the slide through the centre of the flame 3 times. Do not overheat, as this will cause the slide to shatter. Fixing adheres the bacteria to the slide while also killing them. Next, come to the sink to perform your stain. First, take the crystal violet, flood the smear with crystal violet and leave it for 1 minute. Next, rinse the slide under running tap water. Drain the slide off. And flood with grams iodine. Again, leave for 1 minute. Next comes the critical step of decolorization using the solvent, acetone alcohol. First, rinse the slide and drain. Then, decolorize for only 2 to 3 seconds using this technique. 1, 2, 3, and rinse. Drain. Now counterstain using safranin. Flood with safranin and leave for 3 minutes. Rinse the slide and blot to dry. You're now ready to look at your gram stain under the microscope.